dust on your boots. See that high line calling, like it's got something to prove. But she's always